Hello, everyone. How did you begin your day today? Are there any plans that you think it's okay to postpone until tomorrow? If so, please watch this video carefully. The message I want to share with you today is, if you don't start today, you won't start tomorrow. We've all made promises such as, I'll start tomorrow. Starting a diet, learning a new language, reading a book, and so on. But in most cases, tomorrow never comes. Why? Because it's just a plan put off until tomorrow. That is why I want to send you this message today. If you don't start today, you won't start tomorrow. So why do we procrastinate? There could be several reasons. Fear, anxiety, comfort, or simply laziness. However, if we continue to procrastinate, we will miss out on opportunities. This is where we can see the value of action. It's not just about doing something. It's the most important factor in achieving something. Even if we have a plan to achieve our goals, if we don't put that plan into action, it's just a thought in our heads. Taking action today is not easy. It's human nature to want to stay in the comfort of the present. But if you want to change, you must take the first step today. If you don't take that first step today, it will be difficult to do so tomorrow. All big changes begin with a small step. This is well illustrated by a saying. A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This proverb demonstrates that small actions can lead to big results. Our lives are made up of the actions we take today. Today's actions become tomorrow's habits, and those habits ultimately shape our lives. So don't forget the importance of taking action in this moment today. Get rid of the thought, I should do it tomorrow. Instead, think, let's start right now. And put that thought into action. That way, the you of tomorrow will thank the you of today. As Martin Luther King Jr. once said, the time is always right to do what is right. He emphasized that this moment, this time, is critical. So begin taking action right now, this very moment, and experience how that action changes your life. Become better.